Hakka Mantis courses.
Southern Kwongsai Mantis is different than China's. Ramsong's first generation teaching and second generation teaching is also not the same. Ramsong's 1950s teaching, first generation teaching, is different than his 1960s second generation teaching. Ramsong's first and second generation teachings vary among the opening sequence and salute. Some qians begin with a salute and some don't. Shung-har-jung is critical, up, down, and middle. Some play it different. Train both Ramsong's first generation teaching and second generation teaching. Learn these secrets not usually discussed and more. Enroll and take this course now.